Hey everybody, we're out here in the garden today. What I want to talk to you about is I know most people struggle with protecting their tomato plants, squash plants from different types of insects, and right here behind me you can see these little baggies right here. I've got them on a lot of my tomatoes, and it keeps the stink bugs and leaf-footed bugs from climbing in there and sucking out the sap and killing your tomato, and before you know it, if you don't catch them in time, they're done. They're dead. You just soon take the tomato and throw it away. But that's what I'm here to talk to you about today. Is these things are not expensive. I got, I think, maybe 70 bucks. I mean, I'm sorry, not 70 bucks. Like $9 for 70 in a pack. And they're reusable. They're breathable, so your plants, your fruits won't rot while sitting on there. I'm sure you can also use them for other stuff, like if you got fruit trees, figs, things that you're trying to protect. They will come in pretty handy for that. But if there's something else that you do, let me know down in the comments if there's something that you've tried that works well for you protecting your fruit. And I apologize, I am a little dirty. We just got through working in the yard, and glass is fogging up here. But I felt like I needed to make this video, put this out there, so people that struggle with it, that are losing vegetables and fruit. I lost a couple of them before I got my items in to put on my tomatoes. Something else you can see maybe down below, that I'm not fighting with any weeds at all in my beds. We use a soil conditioner on top, and it smothers out the majority of the weeds, and it's going to be broken down. It's already like a not really like a mulch. It's got more body, more substance to it, so it has more moisture in it, and your benefits for your plants will pay off big time with having that in there. You'll maintain more moisture. You won't have to water as often. You know, there's so many things we could sit and talk about, but that's one of the main things I wanted to put out there today. If there's something else you want to talk about, put it down in the comments. You know, let me know. Leave me a message. I love to interact with people, and I look forward to hearing back from you.